Hi Year 9, how you doing? Mr. Bennett here again, back in the polytunnel. I got a lot of comments about people liking the polytunnel last week, so I thought I'd do it again in here. It also gives me a little bit of peace and quiet on my own, away from everybody else, so we're not going to get interrupted. I have got one little visitor though. This is Bess, this is my dog. Spend a lot of time, certainly have spent a lot more time recently training and walking the dog. She's a very lucky dog at the moment with all the walks she gets every day, sometimes twice a day. We do training in the garden, and all the kids that train her as well, they love that, doing that. It's one thing I really enjoy in the free time that I've got. Just finished from the day, and I just wanted to say, next couple of days you're going to get a bit of a break, you're going to get a week off, and I want you to do something different to what I normally tell you to do in this holiday when you're being Year 9. Normally I'll be saying crack on, do a little bit every day, don't let it drop, it's really important here. I'm not going to say this time. Bit of a different situation. We've been working really hard, the vast majority have been working really hard, and we appreciate that, and it's going to keep you in good stead for next year. But I think you need a break. You also need a change of the routine. I'm certainly going to be doing that. I'm going to change the structure of my day completely. So when I do go back after the week, I'll feel refreshed and I'll feel like I have actually had a break. So I'm still gonna get up fairly early, but I'm gonna structure my day a little bit different. I'm not gonna go to the same places. When I go and take the dog for a walk, we're gonna go somewhere different. We're allowed to drive a little bit further now, so we'll probably do that just for a change of scenery. And obviously we can't meet up with people, but we'll see other people and we'll be able to speak to them from a distance, of course. I'd recommend that you try and do that again. Try and do something a little bit different with your time, something constructive. So enjoy the holiday, try and do something different, and when we come back after the holiday, you'll be good to go, and you'll be ready for all that work that we're going to set, and you're going to do it really well. Thanks for listening again. See you again after the holidays. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.